Good morning, dear students. I welcome you all to this video where we are going to discuss one more new chapter in mathematics. So in the chapter on statistics, we looked at something like bar diagram, histogram, and also frequency polygon, and we were using something like this. So this we call it to be y. So let me, instead of writing this is small y, let me write it capital Y, and this we had named it x. So x-axis and y-axis, and this gave us some points like 1, 2 and 3. But I might have a situation where I require even the negative numbers. So how do I get negative numbers? Is very simple. You just extend it and make it -1, -2 and so on, and this side it will be called x dash. And similarly, if I have 1, 2 and 3, I might require -1, -2, -3 along this line also. So I extend it like this, -1, -2 and -3, and just name it y dash, and this will be called your origin and it will be denoted by O. So this is the way a coordinate system looks like. Okay, and this x O x dash is called your abscissa. Let me just write it, abscissa, and your line y O y dash is called your ordinate, and the entire system is called coordinate system. So let me just write it, coordinate system. Entire system is called your coordinate system, and from here the name of the chapter we get, that is called coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry is nothing but using algebra to solve some of the problems related to geometry. So before we move ahead, we should understand something called as ordered pairs. So what is ordered pair? Is very simple. If I have a point, something like this is x, this is y, this is x dash, and this is y dash, and this is O. And if I am representing a number, so if I want to plot a point 2, 3, so what I do, this 2 is along the x-axis and this 3 is along the y-axis. So 1, 2, 1, 2 and 3. So this point will be somewhere here. So this is your point 2, 3. This is called an ordered pair because in this case order matters to you. 2, 3 will not be equal to 3, 2. Hence I can say that order matters. So that's the main reason why these are called ordered pairs. If you see properly the system, coordinate system, here you'll get in the first, this is called your first quadrant, this is called your second quadrant, this is called your third quadrant, and this is called your fourth quadrant. In the first quadrant, if you see, I will get all positive points, and in the second I will get one negative and another I will get positive. So that means this quadrant. Similarly in third, what I should get? Third, I should get both as negative, and in fourth again, what we will see? In fourth we will see x to be positive and y to be negative. So remember the signs whenever we are moving across the different quadrants. So this is the introduction to the chapter on coordinate geometry. So we looked at what they mean by coordinate system. So there are 4 quadrants, and pertaining to these quadrants we looked at the signs, and after this we looked at excuse me. So this was the main discussion, and we looked at how to plot the point as well. So in the upcoming classes we are going to focus problems based on this. So this chapter will be called as coordinate geometry. Thank you all of you.